Dublin is a buzz and it continues to be a hype of activity literally on every street that you tend to. Well, no, it's okay. You can continue. On every street that you tend to, people are having a good time. Others are coming from work, others are going to work, and others are going out on dates. But one thing's for sure, the city will come to a standstill. And no, it won't be for the traditional game here in Ireland, which is the Gaelic Games. It will be for the grand finale of the United Rugby Championship. Here's what Coach Johan Ackerman and Captain Marcel Coetzee had to say on behalf of the Vodacom Bulls ahead of the grand finale.
Yeah, Lunga, I'm sitting here at Croke Park and I'm looking over this beautiful stadium and this beautiful grass that they've got here, and I'm still, it almost still feels unreal, like just a massive privilege that we got this opportunity to play in this final. And you reflect to the season where it started, came in with a rush, and after the Junior World Cup, and it was hit ground running from the first, and then get to know the players, and it was a challenging start because of numerous reasons. And then come January, a few months later in the seat, the pressure was really on. A lot of obviously challenges that we had to face, and we were obviously fighting for survival and making the playoffs, not even the final. So, and then fast forward 5 months later, and now we're sitting here